This is the most terrifying way a butterfly can shape your destiny. A slight flapping of its wings can disrupt the very fabric of the universe. Let me introduce you to the Lorenz butterfly, a creature imbued with chaotic characteristics. Back in 1960, Edward Lorenz, a renowned American meteorologist, was working with a massive computer for weather forecasting. The computational speed of those early computers was sluggish, prompting Lorenz to devise a time-saving strategy. Instead of recalculating everything from scratch, he decided to start the second calculation midway through the program, right after the first one had completed. But fate had other plans. The outcome of this seemingly innocuous decision was astonishingly different from the initial run. Lorenz delved into countless calculations and experiments, revealing a profound truth: all things evolve in a delicate dance, and even the tiniest tweak in initial conditions can trigger monumental shifts in results. Lorenz's theory shattered the illusion of precise weather forecasts. He believed that achieving accurate predictions was impossible. So, he turned to a more poetic metaphor, the butterfly effect. Imagine a South American butterfly fluttering its wings. In a month's time, that seemingly insignificant motion might spawn a tornado in Texas. From that moment on, chaos theory became the cornerstone of physics. It posits that within the development process of all things lies an inherent unpredictability. Variables interact in ways that defy existing theories and formulas. Precision computing, as a rising system, grapples with the chaos inherent in the universe. Whether we're dealing with a three-body problem or an n-body problem, chaos remains an obstacle. Our analysis of celestial dynamics is hindered by the chaotic factors lurking within linear systems. We can only simulate predictions through mathematical calculations, yet true understanding eludes us. The one who unravels the universe's secrets wields the power to predict its chaotic characteristics. If you want less chaos and more order in your mind, subscribe to Daily Eurekasciencesauce to bring order to all those questions you have unanswered. Thanks for watching.